Wild animals. This is a cheetah. There are two that are tackling a wild beast. Cheetah are animals or cat which are fast. Normally they can run up to 75 kilometers per hour. They don't care, but they've got a problem. If they can run above some certain speed, they overheat. These are wildebeest crossing the river, but there's danger in there. If you can look closely, you'll see that there is some crocodiles, rhinoceros. These are cute animals, but dangerous. If you confront it, you'll be in danger. Wild animals, they must be respected. Here are two cats. These are cheetahs. They're trying to tackle a big animal, which is a wildebeest, which can cause danger or harm. And if they get injured, they cannot hunt. And if you don't hunt, you don't eat. If you don't eat, you die. Zebras. These are animals which are grazing in numbers, like buffaloes. You can see that they're running in numbers. If they are confronted by cats, like lions, like cheetahs, they can fight back and they can kill. This is one of the fast cats. It can even go faster than a lightning and catch a rabbit. These are wildebeest. Look at it. How fast is it? This is amazing. Wildebeest, they don't care. They cross whatever. As long as there's a greener pasture somewhere, they cross and go there. Look at I love these animals. Like this cat. Look at the timing. It's on hunt. Something is in front of it. It's calculating. Because if it cannot calculate nicely, it will fail. Donkeys cannot swim, but zebras they can. But still, they cross the river, even if they know that they're in danger. Cheetahs. This is amazing. They took down a zebra. A zebra can kick, can bite, and can run fast, but not faster than cheetah. Crocodiles. Crocodiles are smart animals. They hide under the water, and animals cannot really pick it up that there's a crocodile. They just drink water because their nose are on top and their eyes on top of their head. They can see what is in there, what is in there, and go straight to that place without recognition. Giraffes are some animals which are clean. I love giraffes. They've got long neck. They eat above the trees. They don't like dirt, according to me. They're very nice animals. Kids like giraffes. Some of the kids, if you can ask, which animal do you want to be? If I can ask you, which animal? peed up that if I'm an animal, I'll be this animal. They pick up giraffes because they're smart, beautiful, but they're dangerous because they can kick. Wildebeests, they're everywhere, and they travel in numbers, thousands and thousands. Like in the game reserve, like Serengeti, Mara, and there's Nile River, which has got crocodiles where they have to cross for green pastures. You can see that in deep, just the river is swollen and they're crossing. They don't care. But some of the old ones, they've got experience. They know that there's danger in there, but they have to. Like when they're drinking water, they know that there's danger in the water because sometimes they get attacked by crocodiles. Elephants are some kind of animals. I'm wondering if you are in the game reserve and get attacked by elephant, they hardly attack people as long as you stay away from them. Keep safe distance, not too close to them, because sometimes they can smell human being and then they can launch attack. But they're smart, they don't attack. So unlike crocodile, they attack anytime if they're hungry, because a crocodile can stay for a long time without eating. Let's say, for example, they manage to take down a wildebeest. They can fill their stomach because they eat skin, they eat bones, even hooves, even horns, and they can become full, and they stay for almost a year without eating. So they're smart as well. I love them. Look at these animals. They're mixed. The combination is like nice. Kids can like this if they can watch this kind of video, because it's when they combine together like this. Look how they cross. They cross in numbers. Lions, they take advantage of that. You can see the lions running down there. It's just to launch an attack, to grab one of them. Some of the places like oceans. Look at the oceans, rocks. Nature is beautiful. Nature is beautiful. I love nature. We can look at this picture. It's fantastic, great and small. You like it. Look at those rocks. When the wave comes and hit the rock and explode in a good sound, it's very nice. You can stay there staring on them for a long time, those rocks. Just like on the beaches, where there's sand, where people can walk in the water and swim, which is impressive. Nature is good. I love nature. Look at how this crocodile feeds. She grabs something like it's a bird, swallowing it just like that, straight into hole. It's nature. But nature sometimes is dangerous. Very, very dangerous. I like nature. I like to visit game reserves. Sometimes stick in there for quite some time, for a week. Just going out and look at those animals, how they behave. And you'll be impressed how they behave. They are animals. Giraffes, they can fight, but only the small bulls they do fight, competing for females. That do happen. They sometimes fight. But the only animal that I like is cheetah, because I like the speed. I like the speed of the cheetah. And what I like about cheetah, it's got a timing. Look at those kudos. Look at that combination of these animals. People sometimes poach them, kill them for their skins, maybe for their horns, to decorate their houses, something which is not looking good. Nature is beautiful. People must just be smart, not killing animals, not causing felt fires. Look at those birds. Those are ostrich. Look at those impalas. They're nice. Something. Oh no! Look at those birds. Look at the colors of those birds. Those are domestic. Sometimes we can call it domestic birds, but they're wild. Look at them. They're innocent. They're making life look good. Nature looks good. Look at the sunset. Imagine sitting on the mountain, looking at the sunset. It's amazing. People must observe this.